Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina and you're watching the calendar of the latest financial events from InstaForexx. The latter part of the week covers the following events of high importance for market participants. To start with, China will report its trade balance data for June. Economists expect the indicator to rise to $37.3 billion. A month earlier, annual reading of a trade surplus of the People's Republic of China came in at $35.9 billion. Meanwhile, experts had predicted the surplus of $22.6 billion. In April, there was a trade surplus of $18.45 billion, with imports declining by 1.6% and exports rising by 7%. In the meantime, the Bank of England is to hold its monetary policy meeting, the results of which are to be announced on Thursday. For now, analysts forecast the benchmark interest rate to be unchanged at 0.5%. However, the regulator is quite expected to become the first key central bank to tighten its monetary policy. At its previous meeting, the Bank of England left its key interest rate at a record low of 0.5%. In line with anticipations, however, the bank's asset purchase program was also unchanged at £375 billion. In June, the Bank of England informed that the benchmark interest rate could be raised earlier than expected. Speaking in Parliament, Mark Carney said that the interest rate hike could happen sooner than markets currently expect. Moreover, Canada will unveil its unemployment rate and employment change data for June. The jobless rate is projected to have come in at 7%, while the number of employed people is seen to rise to 26,200. A month earlier, the unemployment rate in Canada was 7%, adding 0.1% compared to the month before. Employment increased in the reporting period. There were 26,000 new jobs created in May. A large part of them were part-time jobs. Annually, employment increased by 0.5%. According to Statistics Canada, the country's economy added 86,000 new jobs in the period from May 2013 to May 2014. In addition to the events mentioned above, there will be the following important reports as well at the end of the week. On Thursday, Australia will release its jobless rate and employment change in June. The Bank of England Deputy Governor Andrew Bailey will speak. Meanwhile, the ECB will disclose its monthly bulletin, and the US in its turn will report unemployment claims figures. And this was the latest financial calendar prepared for you by InstaForexx team. Thank you and goodbye.